pt1. And the ignition outputs is it there?
On a link, early links?
Yeah.
Early links have got 3 ignition outputs. So you could run your RBs, your 6-cylinder stuff, those JZ things with 6 cylinders in a line on wasted spark. Hello, miss. What are your thoughts? Good. So you're working on early links, and you're looking at wiring up a jet boat. But I've got another job here for you. Yeah. Yeah, I thought I'd give you this little present. We'll look at the quality of wiring.
My mum said not to say anything. Not to say anything nice, not to say anything. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. These are solid. Oh.
And a powder coated throttle body. That's spanky, isn't it? And here's the throttle body parts to assemble a throttle body. Look at that. Isn't that sexual? But it's not together. We'll put that to one side for the moment.
Let's see.
Do you want a link to go with that? Because there's 3 in the box there. So this one was in a Hilux ute. So it should be fairly normal on the engine.
It's not. I was just looking at that.
So that's an alternator. So it's got alternator in the loom. This is a crankshaft sensor. And then it does a lap of the engine, like jump through hoops.
And then you've got a must start trigger.
Oh jeez. We've got an unknown switch plug here with something in it, which could be a cam sensor.
You way too push. I feel that's slow.
I'm still not sure about this looping loop here. Let's try sitting it on an engine and see what it looks like, eh?
Maybe?
Yep, there's it.
There's the auto tank.
This has to go this way because the throttle body's here, unless it's had the intake reversed.
No, yeah. But then it's just still in the...
That's in the right place. That doesn't get changed. So no, it hasn't had the throttle body reversed. The alternator doesn't reach. Unless you put an adapter on like this. Has the alternator come over to this adapter? We've got a... Okay, that would actually reach. So this is a cam angle sensor. We go down to a crank angle sensor down here, so that has to be in that position. We've got wiring running across the front, down the side, and across the back. Have we got some earths? I saw like an earth thing over here. I saw a thingy here down. Here's another coil, so here's our coil plug. Are we seeing an igniter anywhere? Oh, these igniter plugs over there.
Oh, it's not a plug, it's
Alternator, look, may well be changed sides because it fits there. Where's that earth, Jace? Here it is. This looks like an earth. Onto the fuel roll. Onto Tavico? Neither of them make good earths. So neither of them are a good option.
Oh, God.
How you feeling? Are you going to be at work next week?
Maybe. That's a bit better.
So, Brad is getting a monsoon. A monsoon.
Cool.
Okay? So, basically, all you need this for is to get the length about right.
Yep.
So you can copy this stuff.
I can't copy that.
You can put stuff in that will go in the right places.
What is this?
Well, we have to work what that is. And here's igniters. And then he's got these wires that look like they might have gone out to the factory stuff. So we've got to decipher what that is. Build something that's nice, that Brad can put in his Hilux, and it will go nicely. Feel better now?
Oh, I'm excited about the 2 large stickers in this box.
So you get to take this whole loom and put it into the rubbish bin. You do not have to do anything with it, make it work. We just have to configure where it used to go and where the alternator is, where the stuff is to make it work and do a nice job.
We can put the igniters anywhere. Probably on the motor.
If we're running leads, I'm putting a 2-channel igniter on it. One of the little 2 channels that we do. So another one for you to just decipher. Get the multimeter out, let's work it out. Okay, we were right. Alternator's left-hand side. So you're going to run that there. We're not going to run it like that. You're going to run it around the front. Around here nicely. And then back. Yeah, and split the crank loom in behind here.
Yep.
And then you'll have an oil pressure. Drop the oil pressure so it sort of comes out the right here.
Yep.
3-pin Deutsch. And a meter to the oil pressure. For where he puts his relocation.
Yep.
On a 3-pin DTM plate. Crank sensor. Oh, I didn't ask about the camshaft position sensor, but it should be the left-hand side one. Regardless, it will be the left-hand side one. So down the left, so there's nothing on the right. If you pass me the multimeter, those are igniters.
Yep.
So igniters had power from somewhere. Find me my power.
Goes bill.
It's black orange presently.
No, it's this one. Mission key input.
Yeah. Can you please go to the ECU and see where that ECU power is?
Right there. No, hang on. What's this?
This one?
You can just put a loop in it and just fold onto it.
Yeah, just like around the front. He wants to run Gen 1 fuel rails. So we'll go back to old yellow's fuel rail. I'll check some alternator wiring, eh?
Sure. I'm struggling into this.
So I've got permanent battery power. Just a big wire. So the sense wire to the alternator is going to be here. That sense, that big red wire there is sense. That one going out there is that one, but it leaves the loom. So power leaves the loom in this one. So is our earth, is that earth and earth? And these are ECU earth. So what's the earth on the engine?
Oh, I don't know.
And where does it go?
Well, also goes.
They are here.
Yeah, but look, there's another. Oh, look. That's the blue wire's and earth in this.
Blue earth and earth. So where's the? Have we got a green wire going in here? What was that blue? So the blue's in earth,
Green
and the
wire.
green just does a transition through the loom. And this one is a power.
Yep.
Could this be going to something else?
Well, it went to something else. But it looks
Okay.
like a factory crimp though.
Does. Okay, so there's power here
Probably here.
and over here.
Oh, hang on.
Okay, try me.
Come here.
Nah.
Oh, hang on. No, I'm on the right one. No.
Now that heads off there. Go on to this one. Here.
Yep.
We've got a red wire heading off into the loom.
Heading off into Narnia. No. Trick.
That's your water temp, that red wire.
What?
So the water temp was connected just by the firewall.
Oh,
So
dash.
There you
Water
go.
temp.
Dash water temp. That's dash water temp.
Okay.
So
What's the
that-
brown wire?
I don't know. Alternator light, we need ignition for the alternator. So this big red wire here was sense. Can you find it ignition for the alternator, please? That was this one here. It's got an earth for an ECU and a power,
We tag into the main room.
which is connected into this one as well. I've got this one here. Okay, go on then. So they tend to go. Oh wait, I've also got these wires.
Yeah, reject those. That's power. That's power.
Coils.
That's coils. Then that one.
There's a little brown wire here.
Yeah, little brown wire.
Okay, we'll probably have to pull that off to have a look. Pull that off. We'll have to remove the tape off that. Can you go onto that one? Oh, I know what we're missing, Jace. Find the start wire. Find me the start, and I think it's going to be that big black red, that big black wire and the black red. This one here. Try that black wire. Brum brum.
Brum, brum.
So, what we've kind of got, of course, we've got a loom that comes inside the cabin.
Yeah.
We don't know where the relays and fuses are.
Hasn't done. Well, we don't even know where the main power source comes from.
So I think we do a loom out here. Loom like this. Bring up 500. That's a little bit to get inside. That length's probably about right. Just over a metre. We're going to go 1200. We'll do some relays and fuses.